Compound word. A compound word is formed by joining two smaller words. Sunflower. Sunflower. Football. Football. Hot dog. Hot dog. Wallpaper. Wallpaper. Pancake. Pancake. Goldfish. Goldfish. Lipstick. Lipstick. Butterfly. Butterfly. Armchair. Armchair. Snowman. Snowman. Raincoat. Raincoat. Catfish. Catfish. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Starfish. Starfish. Rainbow. Rainbow. Basketball. Basketball. Seahorse. Seahorse. Lighthouse. Lighthouse. Bedroom. Bedroom. Scarecrow. Scarecrow.